Hello, my name is Jevon, and this is the file sorter I made. So my goal was to make a file sorter in C++ that sorts files into folders by their individual extensions. For example, the line blah 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 moves files from its original location to the new file folder location. Yeah, see if you can listen to the whole program. Yeah, design, I mean, that's the design. So, test. I tested this about 5 septillion times. One problem I had was the program wasn't able to find the extension in the directories, and I fixed the problem by adding a condition in the if statement. Rethink. I will charge $800 for each store to maximize the profit in the future. Yeah, I will also make the file sorter sort file by demo. Now you can see how it works. So this is the folder we're going to store, and once we activate the file sorter, see, it's gonna store those files into folders and move them into those folders by their extension. And once the program come across a file, it cannot find the extension. It's gonna put in the folder called other files, and once you open it, you have those files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for listening.
Any questions?
Nothing on the last page. Any questions? Yes.
What was the hardest part about it?
The hardest part, probably just working with file system and getting all the files. Okay, no more. Yeah. Next. What? Your slide?
Yeah.